Okay, so where does this go if I've now done back office, I've front office, I've now consolidated across various businesses, starting to provide financial management processes and recommendations, helping with machine learning so customers understand their opportunities and such. What might be next in this journey that we could go to? Well, something that I think is interesting is the idea of moving closer to community banking, something that I think maybe we've lost in the large institutions we have. When I look at my social media world, that my ability to create contacts and across the globe now with various people, I do that in social media and I do that in various kinds of professional settings, but I don't have that sort of capability in a financial sense. I don't do that today in a financial world. What if I were to have the capability to be able to build a network financially? People that I wanted to have a financial relationship with. Certainly I would want to have a financial relationship with my bank and my insurance company, and I think I would hope to have some sort of relationship with a customer representative inside the bank and my insurance agent. Having that ability to communicate and share my data with them as I see appropriate would be important for me to have that capability. Now, what if I wanted to go further though, and my investment advisor, I wanted to give a broader view, and my accountant, I wanted to provide a way for them to access my financial world. That would be helpful as well. Then I could go further than that though. Let's suppose that I have some friends that are starting a new business, and we've talked about it over the dinner one time, and I said, wow, that's very interesting, I might be interested in investing in that. What if I had the ability for making that sort of an investment within this community, this service that I have, that I establish a new instrument and I create a contract with this individual, and we establish that this is the way we're going to track that financial processes. Now, this is an interesting idea. I think it goes further than that. It moves towards a consolidation of crowdsourcing. So I could have at the base of this, I can have the banking and insurance products and investment products that I could accept those rates of return. If I have tools that allow me then to assess other parties' credit worthiness within this platform, they're willing to share the data with me, then I could establish my own relationships with them on a broader basis. I'd want to be able to do this anywhere in the world. I might have a friend that has a connection with someone that I wouldn't mind providing microloans to in a third world country, and being able to help an individual in that way. Sometimes that's done through crowdsourcing as well. Those kinds of things would be things that would be another level of service that could be provided in the instrument ledger. You can see how the instrument ledger then, this environment, is becoming the center of my financial, I structured my quantitative world. At the bottom of it, you have contracts, you have transactions, you have to create balances, you have to update balances, you need to analyze and report. All of this becomes possible because of the integrated nature of this environment. This, I think, is a very powerful concept to be able to move us to community banking in a very real way and enable us to use our data much more effectively than we do today.